Hey there, my name is Demir, I'm part of the Presti team, and in this quick 3-minute demo, I'm going to show you how you can generate awesome images of your products, of your furniture, going from an image like this one to an image like this one in less than 3 minutes, and doing all of that without the typical budget, time, skill, and logistics constraints that are associated with photography or 3D modeling. Let's get into Presti and let me show you how you can do that yourself at home today, right now. So once you open up Presti, there's really only 3 steps that you need to follow to get to the image I just showed you. The first is to upload your photo. The second is to accessorize it, which is adding the golden retriever you saw. And then the third step is to explain what you want to see around your product. Let's get started with step number 1. So once you're in Presti, you just click on Upload Product Photos to upload your picture. For this purpose, I'm going to use this sofa right here. I'm clicking on Open, and as you can see, it's immediately removing the background of my photo. Meaning if you use a picture that was taken with your phone or a picture that was already taken in a scene, you don't have to worry about that, Presti takes care of it. Now the second step is to click on the Accessorize feature, and this is a really exciting one. I like it a lot, and I'm going to show you how it works. When you're inside of the Accessorize feature, you just use the brush and you will select the area where you want to see the object that you intend to add. So like this, and then you will explain to our AI what you want to see on that area. So here I want to see a golden retriever on the sofa, and let's say he's sleeping. You just click on Accessorize, and in a few seconds you'll have 4 different golden retrievers on top of your sofa, and you'll be able to select one of them and use that picture to go forward. Alright, so here we have our 4 pictures, picture 1, 2, and 3. And I like the 4th one a lot, so I'm just going to accept it, save the changes, and now we can use this new picture to go forward and add our background. So in step number 3, there's 2 ways you can generate your background. And this is really where Presti stands out. You can do this either by using text, or you can do this using image. The image functionality is interesting because it lets you input an inspirational picture that you found online, no matter where, and use that photo as your base, as your inspiration. Your product photo or your furniture piece will then be inscenated in this kind of setting. For this purpose, let's keep it simple and let's just use the text functionality, and I'll let you explore the image, the inspirational functionality yourself at home. So let's just say we want to see a sofa in a modern Parisian styled living room. Cozy patterned carpet in beige. An abstract painting on the wall. Large windows and a bookshelf. And then you just click on Run, and in a few seconds again, you'll have 2 different suggestions of that photo matching this description, and you'll be able to select one of the 2 to use that as your final picture. And just as a side note, while this is loading, the things that we're not going to see in this demo is all the other features that Presti offers, like the relight feature, which lets you change how the light falls on your product and makes it look even more realistic. Or on my favorite feature, which is the upscaler, which makes your photo even more realistic than it already is when it comes out of your generation. Let's have a look at what we just generated. So here we have our 2 photos. Let's look at photo number 1. So as you can see, it looks really realistic. It fits well with the surroundings, and we did all of that in less than 3 minutes. Let's look at photo number 2. Here's the other one. And once you have your generation done, there's a slew of other options that you can do to edit your photo in post. But as I said, if you're interested in that, feel free to try it out yourself or to book a call so we can discuss those. So if this was interesting to you and if you got some value out of it, if you see you and your business use Presti to generate your lifestyle pictures, then there's a link at the end of this video in the top right corner in the middle where you can get in touch with us and we can find some time to talk together. And I also invite you to try out Presti yourself to convince yourself of how well Presti actually works. I hope you liked this video. Feel free to share it with people you think would see some value in this, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.